waterproof breathable fabrics exist, and they allow the moisture vapor to pass through them and resist water at the same time. I'll tell you 3 developments in a fabric that make this possible. Number 1. By using membranes or coatings and attaching them to the fabric, which will allow the vapor to pass through but not water. How? It's possible to achieve this because of the enormous size difference between a water droplet and a water vapor molecule. A water droplet has a size of about 100 micrometer, whereas a vapor molecule has a size of about 0.0004 micrometer. So if we produce a fabric or a membrane with a pore size smaller than the water droplet and greater than water vapor molecule, we'll get our desired property. Coming down to the second development. Now in this approach, we can use a coating or a membrane made from a hydrophilic film without any pores. Now what is hydrophilic? It means materials which have affinity towards water. The moisture is absorbed by the membrane and then transported across it by diffusion, evaporating when it reaches the outer surface, and our job is done. The third approach is to use a tightly woven fabric. One of the very first original waterproof breathable fabrics called Ventile was produced in this way, by using a tightly woven special cotton yarn. These yarns would swell up when wet, thus closing any gaps in the fabric. The production of fine microfibers has made it possible to produce fabrics that are woven sufficiently tight to keep the liquid water out.